In this video, I'll introduce machine learning and some common machine learning terminology. So, what is machine learning? We hear the terms artificial intelligence and machine learning all the time these days, but how are they defined? Well, I want to talk about machine learning and attempt to demystify what it means. So, machine learning is the use of computer systems and programming them to use experiences to learn a model that can describe an environment. Now, that's a lot to digest, but essentially an environment can be anything. A chess match, a room in a house, the terrain at the top of a mountain, a manufacturing production floor. When we talk about machine learning, there are three fundamental kinds, and I'll discuss two of them here. Supervised learning, where machines learn a model from labeled examples, labels simply meaning that a machine is given prior knowledge in the form of data from the past. What works and what doesn't. So it has a priori knowledge that can be used to solve problems. And unsupervised learning, where machines learn a model from unlabeled examples. Unlabeled because, unlike supervised learning, a machine is given no prior knowledge. Everything is a tabula rasa, a blank slate, and a machine has to make its own determinations without any help. The third type of learning is reinforcement learning. Now, let's deal with these other terms that we hear all the time, deep learning and artificial intelligence, because along with machine learning, they're all interrelated, but there are important distinctions. Deep learning is a subset of machine learning, and the term typically refers to deep neural networks. Deep learning requires large amounts of data to recognize complex patterns, for example, computer vision or speech recognition. Artificial intelligence is a field that leverages machine learning. It involves building what are called intelligent agents, agents being anything that monitor an environment and act based on inputs. Some agents need to learn about their environments, and that's where machine learning comes in. For example, Google's voice assistant and Microsoft's Cortana, a chess-playing artificial intelligence, or an automated planner. Here's some common machine learning terminology. Model refers to the structure that maps from an input to an output. A machine learning algorithm is a training algorithm that builds a model. An attribute is a feature of an object, something that helps describe it, like weight, height, time, color, latitude, and so on. Features refers to a combination of or manipulation of attributes or extra data created by a learning algorithm. It can also refer to an attribute. And cost speaks to how much error a model has. Algorithms typically look at cost the way we look at cost, that is, the lower the better, and therefore try to minimize a cost function.